Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. So first let me open the window. I'm gonna use the File Explorer. It's the most default one. So if you want to put it on a full screen, you can either double tap the tab bar of the application like this, and then double tap it again to demaximize it. You can use this button right here, the square icon. If you click it, you can maximize or demaximize a window, or you can grab the top bar and then drag it to the top of the screen like this, and then dragging it down will demaximize the window. And that's how you put applications on full screen on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.